Good evening, sir, and good evening, my friends. My name is Abhijit Shaha. I am from EC department, second year, third semester of MCKVIE. Our topic for environmental science presentation is on electric vehicle. I have done this project with my batchmates Shubhadeep Bishwas and Abhishek Dotto, and the guidance of our respected teacher, Mr. Soumajit Gharai. And this is index, and now we are going to discuss on this topic. And that is introduction. First, electric cars generally refers to road-going automobiles powered by electricity. Second, propelled by electric motors or more using batteries. Third, electric motor give instant torque and smooth acceleration. Fourth and last one, the rechargeable batteries can charge by common household electricity and with a dash on board charger provided with the vehicle. Do you know about electric vehicle? Let's know about electric vehicle. An electric car or battery electric car is an automobile that propelled by one or more electric motor using energy stored in batteries compared to internal combustion engine vehicles. Electric cars are quieter, have no exhaust emissions, and lower emissions overall. In the United States and European Union, as 2020, the total cost ownership of recent electric vehicle cheaper than the equivalent ICE cars due the lower fueling and maintenance costs. Charging an electric car can be done a variety of charging stations. These charging stations be installed in both houses in public areas. Out, out of all cars sold in 2020, 4.6% were plugged in electric, and by the end of the year, there were more than 10 million plugged in the electric cars on the world's roads, according to the International Energy Agency. Despite rapid growth, about 1% of cars on the world roads were fully electric and plugged hybrid cars by the end of 2020. Many countries have established government incentives for plugged-in electric vehicles, tax credits, substitutes, and other non-mandatory incentives, while several countries have legislated to phase out sales of fossil fuels cars, the reduce air pollution and limit climate change. The Tesla Model 3 becomes the world's all-time best-selling electric car in early 2020, and June 2021 became the first electric car to pass 1 million global sales. Let's know about history of electric vehicle. In the year of 1828, between 1835, first small-scale electric cars, horse and buggies are the primary mode transportation, but innovators in Hungary, the Netherlands, and the US thinks to the future, creating some of the first small-scale electric cars. In the year of 1832, first crude electric cars was developed. Around 1832, Robert Anderson developed the first crude electric vehicle, but it is not until 1870s or later the electric cars become practical. Pictured here is an electric vehicle built by an English inventor 1884. In the year of 1889, first electric vehicle debuts in US. William Morrison created the first successful electric vehicle in US. His car is little more than wagon, but it sparks an interest in electric vehicles. This 1896 advertisement shows the many electric vehicles were not much different than carriages. In the year of 1899, electric cars gained popularity. compared to the gas and steam powered automobiles at the time. Electric cars are quite easy to drive and did not emit smelly pollutions, quickly become popular with urban residents, especially in Oman. Please turn the next slide. History of timeline. Uh, in the year of 900 to 912, electric car reached their heyday. Edison takes on electric vehicles batteries. In the year of 1901, many inventors takes note of the electric car's high demand, exploring ways to improve the technology. For example, Thomas Edison through electric vehicles were the superior mode of transmission and worked to build up better battery. World first hybrid electric cars is invented in the year of 1901. Ferdinand Porsche, founder of the sports car by the same name, created the Lunar Porsche, the world's first hybrid electronics car. The vehicle is powered by electricity stored in a battery and a gas engine. In the year of 1908 to 1912, Model T dealt a blow to electric vehicles, declined the vehicles, better roads, and discovered the cheap taxes. Crude oil helped contribute to the decline in electric vehicles. By 1935, they have all disappeared. Pictured here, one of the gasoline filling stations that popped up across in the US. In the year of 1968 to 1973, gas pressure solar. Later between 1960 and 1970, gas pressure solar through the roof, creating interest in electric vehicle again. Please turn the next slide. Needs of electric vehicle. No tailpipe emissions. The first thing about electric vehicle is the do not have leave any carbon footprints, unlike the internal combustion engine vehicle that burns the fuel to power the vehicle. The electric vehicle uses a battery to power the electric motor to turn the wheel, and using electricity to move a vehicle does not release any harmful gases from exhaust. Low cost maintenance. There are many parts in an internal combustion engine powered vehicle that has been eliminated from an all electric vehicles, such as manual transmission, fuel tank, fuel pump, radiator, starter, motor, etc. Fewer parts mean less maintenance, and electric vehicles also not required any engine oil change or any filter change, with very little to no maintenance for electronics, motor, and batteries of any electric vehicle last 4 years. Please turn the next slide. Low operating cost. The electric vehicles run at less cost per kilometer than a fuel powered vehicle. A small electric car, sorry, a small electric car like Mahindra E20 running cost is just 0.45 rupees per kilometer, which is a cheaper than any small petrol or diesel car. Better driving experience. An electric car runs on an electronic motor which gives high torque. The initial pickup is so quick and smooth that a petrol or diesel car can never catch them. With the performance, you also get a comfortable ride and in an electric vehicle. The all electric vehicle run on an electric motor, which gives you not only quiet and smooth ride. The electric vehicle comes with the superb interior and highly equipped electronics and features. Driving an electronic vehicle the fun and relaxing at the same time. The torque it offers with the no gear shifting gives you smoother power. The electric vehicle does not shake, vibrate, there are no engine sound. It gives the feel of shifting in a luxury car. An electric car is better in all terms than petrol or diesel vehicle. Now Shubhadeep is continue. Shubhadeep, please take over.
Thank you, Abhijit. As you told about some valuable points on electric vehicles, how the history and what is an electric car, I will be taking over with the rest of the topics about. So, do you know during the global lockdown in 2020 and 2021, we just saw a small pause on polluting human activities. The outcome was renewed focused, and so uh, do you know about the countries like US, China, Europe, and India are on a mission of a climate change and want to reduce the pollution due to vehicles so that the entire world is looking forward to this technology and it has been an era of electric mobility is finally that consumers are facing. So the second topic I'll be talking about is what is powertrain. The powertrain is the set of components that generates the power required to move the vehicle and deliver it to the wheels. There are mainly two type of powertrains: MEB powertrain platform of EVs by Volkswagen, and second the power two-wheeler powertrain by Ather. Then let's have a look on the core components of EV. First of all, the battery pack. Battery pack is the most expensive part of the electric vehicle, made up of multiple lithium ion cells and store the energy need to run the vehicle. Battery pack provides a direct current that is DC output, and the batteries have battery management system BMS that continuously monitors the state of battery and takes responsibility for taking necessary actions in case of malfunction. Second, onboard charger. As we know, an electric vehicle can be charged using AC charger or a DC charger. In case of a DC charger, the battery pack is directly charged and the onboard charger is bypassed. However, if we are using an AC charger, we need an onboard charger to convert the AC into DC. This DC current is then used to charge the battery. Third, the DC to AC converter. The DC AC converter supplies by the battery pack is converted to AC and supplied to the electric motor. The power transfer is managed by a sophisticated motor control mechanism called powertrain. Electric control unit that controls the frequency and the magnitude of the voltage supplied to an electric motor. This is done to manage the speed and the acceleration as per driver's instruction, communicated by the acceleration and brakes. Fourth component is electric motor, the component that converts the electric energy received from the battery pack to mechanical energy. It uses a brushless motor. Fifth, single ratio transmission. This transmission is to run the wheels of electric vehicle by using a motor generator that performs regeneration of electrical energy as well. Next, come and look after how does it work. The controller gathers energy from the battery. Then second, the controller delivers the power, the appropriate amount of electrical energy to the motors. Third, the electrical energy transforms to mechanical energy, and then the vehicle is ready to move. Come and know about some all categories of electric vehicles. First, the conventional electric vehicle. Second, the hybrid electric vehicle. And third, the plug-in electric vehicle. And fourth, but not the least, all electric vehicle. The conventional electric vehicle use the internal combustion engine. Fuel is injected into the engine mixing with the air before being ignited to start the engine. Consumption is fuel and driven by engine. Then hybrid electric vehicle powered by both engine and electric motor. The battery is charged internally through the engine. Consumption is fuel and driven by engine primarily and motor secondarily. The next is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. The battery can be charged both internally and externally through the outlets. Run on electric power before using the engine. Consumption is fuel and electricity both. Driven by motor primarily and engine secondarily. Then all electric vehicles powered only by electric motor with no engine have large traction battery and must be plugged externally to charge. Consumption is electricity and driven by motor. Let's see about some advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicle. So at first, I will start with the advantages. Electric vehicles are more convenient. No gases are required. They saves money. No emissions. They are popular among youngsters these days. Safe to drive. They are pollution free. Low maintenance cost. They are way more cheaper than a combustion engine vehicle cars. Reduce noise pollution. They are absolutely silent and easy to drive. Then there are some points about the disadvantages. Recharge points, there are lack of recharge point availability. Electricity isn't free. Short driving range and speed. Longer recharge time. They take a way much longer time to recharge. Battery replacement is a problem, major problem. Not suitable for long drives and lower amount of choice. Now I would like to hand over the rest of the topics to Abhishek. Abhishek, please take.
Thank you, Subhadeep, for giving me the chance for continuing with the rest of the topic. Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Dotto, EC second year from MCKV. As my friend discussed about the beginning of the presentation, I will be continuing with the rest of the topic. So let's see about comparison between electric cars and conventional cars. First one, IC engine vehicles. Powertrain IC engine, high special energy of fuel, power density high, emit greenhouse gases, travel 300 miles per fill, short refilling time 5 minutes, fuel tank takes less space, fuel weight is very less, higher maintenance cost, braking energy not recovered, running cost high, energy efficiency 30%. And electric vehicles, powertrain motor plus engine, low specified energy of battery, power density low, no tailpipe emission, travel 100 miles per charge, long charging time from 5 hours, battery takes large space, batteries are very heavy, lesser maintenance cost, can recover braking energy, running cost low, motor efficiency 80%. Pollution comparison. Electric battery vehicles, mid-size electric vehicles, CO2 kilometer driven, 73.9 to 131.5. CO2 produced from 100k miles, 12 to 21, average is 16.5. CO2 produced from the mechanical energy production decomposition is 7.4 to 5. CO2 produced from lithium ion battery 2.2. And SUV class electric vehicles CO2 per kilometer driven is 119.3 to 196.45, and CO2 produced from 100k miles 19 to 32, average is 25.5. CO2 produced from the mechanical production decomposition is 11.475, and CO2 produced from lithium ion battery 3.4. Internal combustion vehicles, mid-size combustion vehicles, CO2 per kilometer driven is 150.4, and CO2 produced from 100k miles 24. CO2 produced the mechanical production decomposition is 4.32, and SUV class combustion vehicle CO2 per kilometer driven is 269.2, and CO2 produced from 100k miles is 43. CO2 produced from the mechanical production is 7.74. Comparison of running cost per month of conventional car is 19,550, and the electric vehicles per month cost is 13,600. Let's see the future of electric cars. Electric vehicles hold a lot of potential for helping India create a more sustainable future. If India transitioned all the light duty vehicles to hybrids or plug-in electric vehicles, we could reduce our dependence on fossil oil by 30 to 60% while lowering the carbon pollution from the transportation sector by as much as 20%. Will electric cars gain popularity in India? In the last few years, trends suggest a rise in interest among the common masses for electric cars. In comparison to electric two-wheels and ICE or petrol and diesel cars as seen as on Google Trend, industry leaders consider electric cars to be a promising option for Indian audience for many reasons. Akhil Aryan, CEO and co-founder Ion Energy, believes that timely adoption coupled with in the electrification of the existing vehicles and growth of charging infrastructure will create a shift, the impact of which will be felt in metropolitan cities, especially given the pollution has reached catastrophic levels. Further, Zoomcar founder Greg Moran added that with the median age of Indians begin 27 years, the younger generation is driven for innovation, sustainability, and environmental conservation. Let's see how can government promote electric cars further. First one, especially policy measure such as slashing GST on EVs to 5% versus 28% for combustion engine. Second one, INR 1.5 lakh tax exemption on loans to buy electric vehicles. Third one, INR 10K crore allocated to FAME to push electric mobility through standardization. Fourth one, Union Cabinet has proposed customs duty exemption on certain EV parts, including electric drive assembly, onboard charger, compressor, and a charging gun to cut down cost. Fifth one, the localize the value chain. Cabinet outlaid a 5-year paced manufacturing program until 2024. Some of the leading brand working on these electric vehicles: BMW i4, motor capacity 25 kilowatt, produce 430 Nm to torque 8,000 to 17,000 RPM. Audi e-tron, motor 71 kilowatt, produce max torque 540 Nm, battery 95 kilowatt, lithium-ion drivetrain, front-wheel drive. Tesla Model X, motor 375 kilowatt, produce 503 HP, battery 100 kilowatt, lithium-ion. And last one, Jaguar I-Pace, motor 90 kilowatt, produce max torque 690 Nm. Conclusion: the progress that the electric vehicle industry has seen in recent years is not only extremely welcome but highly necessary in light of the increasing global greenhouse gas levels, as demonstrated within the economic, social, and environmental analysis section of this web page. The benefits of electric vehicles far surpass the cost. The biggest obstacle to the widespread adoption of electric powered transportation is cost related, as gasoline and the vehicles that run on it are readily available, convenient, and less costly. As this demonstrated in our timely, we can hope that over the course of the next decade, technological advertisement and policy changes will help is the transition from traditional fuel-powered vehicles. Additionally, the realization and success of the industry relies heavily on the global population, and it is our hope that through mass marketing and environmental education programs, people will feel encouraged and improvement to drive an electric powered vehicle. Each person can make a difference, so go electric and help make difference. Acknowledgement. We would like to thank you, teacher Mr. Somojit Ghorai, for assigning this task to us. It has enhanced our knowledge regarding electric vehicles and has helped us understanding it better. Thank you.